I know where to start. I'll teach you how to sing. Do, a deer, a female deer. Re, a drop of golden sun. Me, a name I call myself. Far a long, long way to run. So, a needle pulling thread, that's right. La, a note to follow, so very good. Tea, a drink with jam and bread, yes, that will bring us back to do.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do.
You call a song do, re, mi, fa, so and so on?
No, do, re, mi, fa, so, and so on are only the tools we use to build a song. Once we have these notes in our heads, we can sing a million different tunes. How? By mixing them up. So, do, la, fa, mi, do, re. So, do, la, ti, do, re, do.
But it doesn't mean anything.
So we put in words. One word for every note. When you know the notes to sing, you can sing anything.
You said one word for every note.
Yes, Brigitte, I did.
But when you sing anything, you're using 3 notes on one word.
Yes, that's right. Well, sometimes we do that. All right, all together and...
When you know the notes to sing, you can sing most anything. Do, a deer, a female deer. Re, a drop of golden sun. Me, a name I call myself. Fa, a long way to run. So, a needle pulling thread. La, a note to follow, so. Tea, a drink with jam and bread.
That will bring us back to do.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, do. Ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Mi, so, so. Fa, fa, la, ti, ti. Do, mi, so, so. Fa, fa, la, ti, ti. Re, mi, so, so. Re, so, fa, la, ti, ti. Do, mi, so, so. Re, so, fa, la, ti, ti. Do, mi, so, so. Re, so, fa,
Anything. Do, a deer, a female deer. Re, a drop of golden sun. Me, a name I call myself. Fa, a long, long way to run.
So a needle pulling
A
thread.
needle pulling thread.
A note to follow, so.
A note to follow, so.
Tea, a drink with jam and bread. That will bring us back to do.
That will bring us back to do.
The Sound of Music back on Broadway, and we're back.